If the customer is a non-individual customer such as a company, the system will enable you to add the beneficial owner of the customer. First, click on the icon Add CDD, which is located at the left side of the home page. Next, click on the Customer Due Diligence category section to select the relevant category of customer. You may then proceed to fill up the particulars of the non-individual customer in the Biodata of Customer section. Click on the icon Find Beneficial Owner if the beneficial owner already exists in the CDD database. Alternatively, click on the icon Add New Beneficial Owner if the beneficial owner does not exist in the CDD database. The beneficial owner of the customer that has been added can be observed in the Beneficial Owners List section. Click Next to proceed with Customer Risk Profiling. Select the option Yes or No to fill up the details in the Risk Profiling section. Finally, click Submit to add the non-individual customer in the CDD database.